Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set up free shipping over $35 on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your admin panel and go to settings and select shipping and delivery, and I want to edit this shipping option, so I'm going to click on manage. So I want to make free shipping to this address, so I'm clicking on add rate and select set up your own rates option and make sure price is 0. Then click on add conditions and select based on order price and enter here your minimum price. I'm going to giving here $35 and now click on done and give here the rate name. Click on done. So here you can see I have successfully added a free shipping over $35 on Shopify. Then click on save. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.